Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Velli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Staff Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connects. Today class we are discussing one of the important problem. Okay, let's see. The two pulleys, one 450 mm diameter and other one is a 200 mm diameter. On parallel shaft 1.5 meter difference between two shafts apart are connected by a cross belt. In this one question is a cross belt. Find the length of the belt and required and the angle of contact between the belt and each pulley. What power can be transmitted by the belt when the larger pulley rotates at 200 revolution per minute. If the maximum permissible tension in the belt is 150 kilonewtons and the coefficient of friction between the belt and pulley is 0.25. In this question, first pulley diameter is 450 and driven pulley diameter 200 mm diameter and parallel to apart shaft is 1.95 meters apart connected. This is a cross belt. Find out the length of the belt. This is one. Find out the length of the belt. What power can be transmitted? Find out the power also. Find out what power can be transmitted. When the larger pulley rotates, 200 revolution per minute means 200 revolution per minute, 200 rpm, n is equal to 200 rpm. If the maximum permissible tension in the belt is 1 kilonewtons and the coefficient of friction, coefficient of coefficient of friction is 0.25. Okay, this is our question. In this one, this is cross belt drive is given. Cross belt drive. In this cross belt drive, this is a driving pulley, driven pulley. Okay, driving pulley diameter is 450. Already we know that is a R1 and this one is a R2. R1 is equal to 450, like 0. Diameter of the pulley R1, R2, diameter, this is radius or diameter 0.45 meters and in this one is 200. Okay, this one is 200. Okay, using this given data, find out the length of the belt, power transmitted by the belt. Okay, next find out, first of all write down given data. In this one given data is D1 is equal to 400 mm, D2 is equal to 200 mm. This one is D1 is equal to 450. Okay, next in this one D1 450, let's R1 is equal to 225 mm, R2 is equal to 100 mm, half of the diameter, 100 mm. Okay, next in this one, difference between two pulleys centers, that is denoted by x is equal to 1.95 meters. Next n1 is equal to 200 rpm. T1 is given. T1 is equal to 1 kilonewtons. T1 is equal to 1 kilonewtons. T1 is equal to 1 kilonewtons. 1 kilonewtons converted into newtons, 1000 newtons. And mu is equal to mu coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.25. Mu is equal to 0.25. First of all, find out the length of the belt. Length of the belt. Okay, this is a cross belt. Using cross belt length of the belt formula. Cross belt length of the belt formula, L is equal to formula. Already we know that L is equal to in terms of radius. In terms of radius, pi into R1 plus R2, pi into R1 plus R2, pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2x plus 2x plus R1 plus R2 square by 2 by x. Sorry, x by x. This is a cross belt length of cross belt formula. Using this formula, substitute R1, R2, and already we know that x is also we know that, and R1, R2 is given. Okay, then substitute pi into R1. R1 is equal to 225 plus R2 is equal to 100 plus 2 into 1.95 meters. 1.95 meters is converted into mm. 19500 195 meters. mm. Okay, next into 1950 plus 225 plus 100 square by 1950. Okay, next find out L. Find out L. L is equal to how much? L is equal to 4.97 meters. 4.97 meters. Okay, this one is the L length of the belt. And next coming to the find out the angle of contact. Next, angle of contact. Angle of contact. Angle of contact between belt and pulley. Driver pulley or belt and belt. Angle of find out angle of contact. Let's sin alpha is equal to R1 plus R2 by 2. Okay, substitute R1 R2 in terms of meters or mm. Okay, let's in terms of meters 225 mm R1, but in terms of meters 0.225 plus 0.1 by 0.5. This is one is x 1.95. Okay, in this one sin alpha is equal to answer 0.1667. 7. Next, in this one, alpha is equal to, find out alpha is equal to sine inverse 0 point, sine inverse 0.1667. 1667. Then alpha is equal to 9.6 degrees. 9.6 degrees. Next, find out the theta. Theta is equal to theta angle. Theta is equal to formula 180 degrees plus 2 into alpha. 2 into alpha. Using this one, theta is equal to 180 plus 2 into 9.6. Okay, then theta is equal to 199.2. This one is theta. Okay, 2. This one is in degrees. Okay, converted into radius, theta is equal to 199.2 into pi by 180. Then theta is equal to 3.47 radians. Okay, next coming to the power transmit. Find out the power transmitted. Okay, power transmitted formula is power. Already we know that in this power transmitted we take T1 and T2. There are two tensions, difference between T1 T2 into V. Then in this one 2.3 log into T1 by T2 is equal to mu theta, In this one, using this formula, in this formula mu is already we know that mu is equal to 0.25, theta is equal to already we know that 3.45. Then 0.25 into 3.47. In this one is equal to 0.86 answer. Okay, using this one, find out the log T1 by T2 is equal to 2.3, 0.86 by 2.3. This one answer is 0.37. Okay, this one is log T1 by T2. Then T1 by T2 is equal to log T2 is equal to 2.837. Okay, then find out T2 log T1. Okay, T1, then T1 is equal to 2. Using this one, T1 is equal to T2 2 into 2.837. Okay, solve this one. Let's T2 already we know we given, T1 is already we given. Then find out the T2. Okay, let's see. Using this one, T1 by T2 is equal to 2.837. Okay, then already we know that T1 is equal to 1 kilonewtons. Then find out the T2. Then T2 is equal to T1 by 2.837. T1 is equal to 1000 by 2.837. Using this one, T2 is equal to, find out T2, 419 newtons. So using this T1 and T2, find out the power transmitted. But if you want to find out the power transmitted, we first of all find out the velocity also. Velocity V is equal to, already we know that V is equal to pi d1 n1 by 60. Using this formula, find out pi into, already we know that d1 is equal to 0.45 meters into n is equal to n1. Already we know that n1 is equal to 200 revolutions, 200 rpm, 200 by 60. Find out the V. V is equal to 4.71 meter per second. Okay, let's find out the power transmitted. Power transmitted is equal to, power transmitted equal to T1 minus T2 by into V. Using this formula, find out the power transmitted. Find out the power transmitted. Let's see. Find out the power transmitted. Let's see, P is equal to T1 minus T2 into V. T1 1000 minus T2 is equal to 419 into velocity. Velocity already we know that 4.71 revolution. Then find out the P. P is equal to approximately 2.78 kilowatts. This is approximately value. Okay, first of all, find out the length of the belt. After that, angle of contact. Next, after that, find out the tensions and velocity. Next, go for the power. Power transmitted is equal to T1 minus T2 into velocity. Okay, this is our important problem. Thank you.